Bunge ba kaunti ya Meru ibetite na mbere kona ni Kurega kwanira kone mu siasa Rigathi Gachagua bakiwa imuntu edirete nindi atareta kinyambi Meru barekera yungine ndiyo edirete okumera na kuwa kinyaga Gachagua ni wewe edirete nindi akirigairiya mirandi awiti na mbere eraba batire nindi kwidireki ya nteriche Meru irari ubichine ya munini wa rais ni batarirete ya gutino CJ Martha Koome tena Gachagua atina mainya ya kumwariria Bonfils Mongera Nwena ntetoi.
Ambunge ba kaunti ya Meru no bendrete kuthirwe mutharirikira urore munini wa rais ukanyumene bwana Rigathi Gachagua arantu kwenaro nande kumutharirikira kuko jokite mukondo jonge arabashumirite na bauga kagite ne karari giji ari munini wa rais na batunyire mirandi ekimaendeleo amwato nyotongoge turatobatera ko tukionwa nento ba kaunti ya Meru mubunge mugambire ndikirio bore amwakire mangoshino sentiment zijobe najo jakuga
Gachagua na yire barabara chako yiri aikia madhira na naije onda ale kamite na barabara nda chikirita parliament irengi na ndego to muona na ndamunenkera evidence ambira agetonchwira na mbe chinyanda achuta na ala treasury ajukira leta waka barabara kwao amberia kuma ale ya Karatina wone barabara mugwanje isho kuthithwa ijere chaburi kuthithwa mndene chema umao
barabara ekwe kuma irarutwa promise tatwe mujwa ekuma gitone gwita kalindene gwita kaongo gwita mujwa gwita gitie kumira mitungo kugwata materundi uma kinyoga eta wakera narua ne dithire dunya mbiki kuringa no president ugite ekunenkero Gachagua kenda thingata ndireye ndethira ekeri kuma mathira umira Karatina eiteria ngai barabara uyongwa yariwa
ja bona obotengani kenge na kuringana na tongere babo bairi baro gitumige kinene anaba kuma kaunti ya Meru batona tonya totu ne tongo ikire thirikari Ruto kwa miaka ewire nontu Gachagua
nontu ndari inda promise ni president na twe Meru na nyari wa kwanja na promise tegetiga parliamentary service commission Gachagua kajukiria nenkera mwarongina kwa ya makungwa ko Gachagua tumomba kuthire ndete ya Meru abadirete kira tuta short changing nonto president Ruto twaringa campaign kutothwa ari na buna batwi lakini yajukirie era Gachagua manage Meru management Kenya konge kunde kinywa tera giko barabete bejete be second term baire machamani jonde na ikonge kunde ende Meru era Gachagua kwa nendete gutoe tuona
twina fairo enganao marieto jato amunenkaera ja utara directorship tora president ya tora and then mpatie president anasema and then mpatie hii mtu yenu fire iko huko tunaongojea Friday statement hakuna nani tunaona modo sijui Munyeri sijui Kamau sijui nini na all of them ni marafiki yake tuko na research yote sisi tunasema ni Wakikuyu hapana ni marafiki wake na ni matajiri wana walikuwa natembea nao ndio ameweka pale kama madirectorship
na bakenderia ibakoberete meria tongere bangi barabara tintu kwegoro aramwete Gachagua mukana na kumwira kaunti ya Meru inene bashokeria kwija mukuru karontimi ora chokero rutero nchero.
The Meru community is not short of messages from people. If you come to pray with people, pray and go home. If they are not prayers, where you come from. If you think prayers that are in Meru, the houses of prayer in Meru, that is what will take you to heaven. Come and pray, but don't bring other issues in inciting a community.
Hakumfanyia huyu campaign, hakumfanyia huyu campaign, hakumfanyia Elizabeth campaign. So akiambia Rais Ruto yeye ndio amefanya watu wa Meru wote waingie bunge. Mimi alikuwa akinipiga town na nilimnyorosha hapo town. Na bado niko tayari kumnyorosha akikuja. Waacha akuje. Si ndio anasema anakuja na chama? Waacha akuje tuone nani ako na nguvu.
I've already sat down with even other politicians from other political parties in Meru. We have sat with Rentole, we have sat with Kiraito, we have sat with Munya, we have sat with our senator, and all of us we are in agreement that Meru need to be respected and Meru need to be united for posterity and for the future of our county.
The behavior now of going to Meru and disregarding all the leaders, particularly the elected leaders, I think that is very uncouth.
Abunge batano kirikaro kikiona ndikibanda tojikarone bya abunge ibashokete mutetera mugambithane mune Martha Koome na kugote no etete ne batete kirethirwa kithangwa bareona bakiona.
People go to court for whatever reason when they think they are aggrieved, and it is not anything new. Martha is qualified to be the Chief Justice. She was vetted, she was found the most suitable, and as a community we would defend Martha, we will stand with Martha, and we don't need other people to come and say, pretend that they are defending Martha.
Regarding our Chief Justice, Martha Koome, she's a qualified Chief Justice. She has been long-serving lawyer, magistrate. She's gone through all the stages, and that's why she was elected or nominated as the Chief Justice. And I'm not seeing anything apart from the politicians who have their own ideas, who they have their own agendas, talking about our Honorable Lady, Lady Justice Martha Koome. So I would like to stand firm and say that I think Martha is doing a very good job, and there is no need of her being talked about.
There be no victimization. Let's be fairness. And the mother should not be victimized in any sense.
Nke report ya Ntoshoro TV kumaji karone bya bunge kengine ngine ne kineke busho Nairobi mbita Boniface Mungera.